Welcome to our chemistry online class. Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss about chemical properties of carboxylic acids. We know what is carboxylic acid. Its formula is R C double bond O OH group. Here we are having carbonyl group. The aldehydes and ketones are also contains carbonyl group. Aldehydes and ketones also contain carbonyl group, but the properties of carboxylic acids differ from aldehydes and ketones. Mean the properties of carbonyl group in acid, it is totally different from aldehydes and ketone, because in carboxylic acid group it is involved in resonance. Reactions of carboxylic acids are classified into four different types. One is reactions involving to the cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond. First one is reactions involving due to the cleavage of OH bond. In carboxylic acid or C double bond O OH group. Here some reaction take place due to the cleavage of this oxygen and hydrogen bond. Second one is reactions involving to the cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond. This bond, carbon and oxygen bond. Some reactions take place due to the cleavage of oxygen and hydrogen bond. Some reaction take place due to the cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond. The third one is reaction due to the involvement of presence of COOH group. Reactions involving due to the presence of COOH group. Fourth one is reaction due to the presence of hydrocarbon part. So we are having four different type of chemical properties. One is reaction due to the cleavage of oxygen and hydrogen bond. Second one is reaction involving cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond. The third one is reaction due to the presence of carboxylic acid. Fourth one is reaction due to the presence of alkyl group. Here first we are going to see about reactions involving due to the cleavage of oxygen and hydrogen bond. The oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen. Acids means which can donate H+. Right? Here carboxylic acid reacts with active metal. In this first we are going to discuss about reaction with metal. How carboxylic acids react with metal. Carboxylic acid react with active metals. Carboxylic acid react with active metals like sodium, magnesium and zinc. It forming salt with the liberation of hydrogen. What we are seeing now, the reaction of carboxylic acid with metal. Carboxylic acid reacts with active metals like sodium and magnesium and zinc. It forms corresponding salt with liberation of hydrogen gas. Let us take here 2 moles of acetic acid is taken. 2 moles of acetic acid. It react with 2 moles of Na. 2 moles of acetic acid react with 2 moles of Na. Here the sodium metal, it displaces the acidic hydrogen. Sodium metal displaces the acidic hydrogen from acidic acid. It forms sodium acetate. It forms sodium acetate. When the most reactive metal, sodium, it reacts with acidic acid. There is breaking of bond between oxygen and hydrogen in acidic acid. So the metal displaces its acidic hydrogen. It forms sodium acetate with the liberation of hydrogen gas. In same way, magnesium. Here 2 moles of sodium reacted. If it is magnesium means 1 mole of magnesium. 1 mole of magnesium. 1 mole of magnesium, it reacts to the 2 moles of acidic acid. It gives magnesium acetate. Magnesium acetate. Magnesium acetate with the liberation of hydrogen gas. With the liberation of hydrogen gas. In same way, zinc react with zinc. Zinc react with Zn, react with 2 moles of acidic acid. It forms zinc acetate. It forms zinc acetate. Second, chemical reactions. We are seeing about the reaction between alkalis. How carboxylic acids react with alkali. Carboxylic acid is an acid. It reacts with the base, water soluble base alkalis like NaOH or KOH. It neutralizes acid, react with the base, it neutralizes them and to form salt. We know when an acid react with base, it gives salt and water. Salt and water. In same way, acidic acid CH3C double bond to OH react with Na plus OH minus NaOH. NaOH. It displaces acidic hydrogen. Here what type of reaction is taking place? The reaction due to the cleavage of bond between oxygen and hydrogen in acidic acid. It gives sodium acetate with water molecule. Sodium acetate with water molecule. In this third reaction, we are discussing about how carboxylic acid reacts with carbonates and bicarbonate. Sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. This reaction is also known as test for carboxylic acid. How carboxylic acid react with carbonate and bicarbonate. This reaction is also known as test for carboxylic acid. What happens here? When carboxylic acid reacts with sodium carbonate, when carboxylic acid reacts with carboxylic acid, react with the sodium carbonate, it gives sodium acetate. It gives sodium acetate with liberation of carbon dioxide. When carboxylic acid decomposes, it decomposes carbonate and bicarbonate with evolution of carbon dioxide. It is the test for carboxylic acid. Listen students, what will happen here? When carboxylic acid react with sodium carbonate, the carboxylic acid, acidic acid, liberates carbon dioxide from, it liberates carbon dioxide from sodium carbonate. It forms sodium acetate with liberation of carbon dioxide. The liberation of fourth one is all carboxylic acid turns blue litmus into red. What happens when carboxylic acid reacts with blue litmus? It changes the litmus into red color. It is one of the tests for carboxylic acid. Next, reaction involving cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond. Reaction involving the cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond. In this, first reaction is reaction with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. How carboxylic acid react with phosphorus pentachloride? PCl3 phosphorus trichloride and SOCl2 thionyl chloride. The hydroxyl group of carboxylic acid behaves. The hydroxyl group of carboxylic acid behaves like an alcoholic group. It is easily replaced by chlorine atom. It is easily replaced by chlorine atom on treating with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and thionyl chloride. Let us take acetic acid as an example. When acetic acid, it reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, we are getting acetyl chloride plus phosphorus oxychloride plus HCl. Here these are the example for chlorinating agent. In acetic acid, the chlorine is replaced. In acetic acid, the OH minus is replaced by Cl minus. So we are getting acetyl chloride, CH3, C double bond O, Cl. Similarly, benzoic acid, C6H5COOH reacts with thionyl chloride. It forms benzoyl chloride with sulfur dioxide plus HCl. Here, in benzoic acid, the OH group of benzoic acid is replaced by OH minus is replaced by Cl minus. It is an example for nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why we are getting benzoyl chloride? Because of the cleavage of bond between carbon and OH group. Bond between carbon and OH group. PCl5, SOCl2, PCl3, all these compounds take place in same method. The second reaction is how carboxylic acid react with alcohols. The reaction of carboxylic acid and alcohol is also called esterification reaction because it forms ester. What we are seeing, when carboxylic acid are heated with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid like concentrated sulfuric acid and dry HCl, it forms esters. Esters of acid react with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid, it forms ester. This reaction is known as esterification reaction. It is an irreversible reaction. It is one of the tests for carboxylic acid. We know there are three tests for carboxylic acid. One is esterification. When alcohol reacts with carboxylic acid, it gives ester. It is identified by fruit smell. Another one is carboxylic acid react with blue litmus. Carboxylic acid turns blue litmus into red. Then when carboxylic acid react with the carbonate and the bicarbonate, it liberates carbon dioxide. In this reaction, benzoic acid react with ethyl alcohol. It forms ethyl benzoate. Here, the esterification reaction mechanism consists of the following step. In this first step, protonation of acetic acid. In acetic acid, the OH group consists of lone pair of electron. The lone pair of electron making bond with H plus acid catalyst. The lone pair of electron it making bond with H plus. So we are getting protonated acetic acid. This first step is protonation. Second step is nucleophilic attack. Here ethyl alcohol it acts as a nucleophile. In ethyl alcohol, the lone pair of electron in oxygen atom, it attacks this carbonyl carbon. It attacks this carbonyl carbon. So the electron density increases around this carbon. The pi bond shifts towards this electron deficient oxygen. Electron deficient oxygen. So there is a loss of positive charge around this oxygen. Loss of positive charge around this oxygen. Next step, in ethyl alcohol, the hydrogen is removed as a H plus. This hydrogen is removed as a H plus. So the bond between oxygen and hydrogen, it shifts towards oxygen. It shifts towards oxygen. So the positive charge disappears. The hydrogen removed as H plus. While shifting the bond to the oxygen atom, there is disappearance of positive charge on that oxygen atom. Positive charge of oxygen atom. In next step, there is addition of H plus. There is addition of H plus. Here, addition of H plus. In this step, the H plus attacks this the OH group oxygen. The lone pair of electron of this oxygen, it making bond with H plus. So there is electron deficiency occurs. The lone pair of electron from this oxygen, it moves towards this carbon. So the electron density increases around this carbon. There is breaking of the bond between carbon and oxygen. There is loss of water molecule. Loss of water molecule. In next step, involves the nucleophilic attack by alcohol. Nucleophilic attack by ethyl alcohol. The lone pair of electron of ethyl alcohol, it attack this hydrogen. It removes this hydrogen. So the bond between oxygen and hydrogen, it shifts towards this carbon. So the electron density increases around this carbon. The pi bond shifts towards here. So the positive charge will disappear. So we are getting ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. The third reaction is reactions of carboxylic acid involving COOH group. Here first see about reduction reaction. In that we are having two types of reduction. One is partial reduction, another one is complete reduction. In partial reduction, the carboxylic acid. In partial reduction, the carboxylic acids are reduced into primary alcohols. Acids are reduced to primary alcohol by using reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride or with hydrogen in the presence of copper chromite. In the presence of reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride or copper chromite, this convert carboxylic acid into primary alcohol. Carboxylic acid into primary alcohol. But sodium borohydride does not reduce the COOH group. Sodium borohydride does not reduce the COOH group. Let us take acetic acid, ethanoic acid as an example. Let us take ethanoic acid as an example. Here, ethanoic acid react with lithium aluminum hydride. There is addition of 4 hydrogen. Here 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. First it is converted into acetaldehyde. Acetic acid is converted into CH3, CHO, H2O. Then again this aldehyde group CHO group further reduced into alcohol. The aldehyde acid group first converted into aldehyde. Aldehyde group is converted into alcohol. The presence of reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride. But sodium borohydride does not reduce the COOH group into alcoholic group. In Complete reduction to alkenes. When carboxylic acid react with hydrogen iodide and presence of red phosphorus. Carboxylic acid reacts with hydrogen iodide and red phosphorus. It undergoes complete reduction. It undergoes complete reduction to give alkene. It gives alkane containing same number of carbon atom. In this reaction, any carboxylic acid react with hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus. Carboxylic acid undergo complete reduction. Acid first reduced into aldehyde. Aldehyde is reduced into alcohol. Alcohol is further reduced into alkane with the same number of carbon atom. Let us take acetic acid. When it react with acetic acid react with hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus at 473 Kelvin. Acetic acid react with the hydrogen iodide in the presence of red phosphorus. It gives ethane. What happens here? There is addition of 6 hydrogen. First, the acid group is converted into aldehyde, acetaldehyde. Then acetaldehyde is converted into alcohols, ethyl alcohol, CH3, CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. Then alcohols can be converted into loss of water molecule CH3, CH3. It is converted into ethane.